Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here for you fixed VMware Workstation and Device Credential Guard are not compatible, and this is problem with program. I am going to show you how to fix this in this video Windows 11. So we have got our VM Workstation player. Okay, this is good. So So, so you have to fix this in Windows 11. Just a minute. So, just a minute. So open the VMware. In Windows 11, so we have got our VMware Workstation player open here. When I try to play my Windows 11 and get it booted up to, you can see it will get this message popping up, and this is just suddenly popped, and this is the credential guard, and I will show you how to resolve this problem. Now again, this could be quite frustrating if you don't know how to fix it. So for it, make a quick video to share to resolve this problem. Here, let's get started. So first off, this go to the down, go to the down to the search box. Here is a search box, and just type. Just a minute. Close this. Go to the search box. Windows R, and type here gpedits.msc. This will open up group policy editor. Here is the group policy editor. You will need to be on Windows 11. Scroll down. Pro, and above I will show you in a Windows 11 Pro version as well after this. So once you are in the location, go to the local computer policy, and then configuration wizard, and then move down to the administrative templates. Then what we want to do, go to the down where it is say system, click on open it, open this one up here. Then when we open this one, we can go to the device guard, and here click on this one, and this will be open the device guard, and what we want to hear it turn on a virtual based security and double click on this one and open we want we open this, another window will open. Now now you will see it's not configure, but we are going to disable this and click on OK. Here now, once we have done that, we can close off the group policy editor. Now you will need a reboot, or you can just quickly go to the down to the search box and open command prompt. So do cmd run this administrative cmd and run as administrator and open it. Now what you want to type here is just gp update slash course, and this will be force change that you have created inside you group policy. You just updating the policy, but you will need to restart anyway. But I just want to show you that once, just in case you want to learn how to fix how to do it. So next up we are, now let's see. Just to open the registry editor. No. Yeah, open the control panel. Turn off the feature of Windows features. Here is the Hyper-V. Hyper-V should be always disabled. So do not check it. Let's see. This should be always. Okay, cancel it. Now when there will be some command we will run on the command prompt. Open the command prompt, run as administrator, cmd, and do the following commands. Just like here I am copying this command and paste it on the command prompt. Enter. This command is already defined. Now copy the another command and paste it. Now one by one command copy and paste in on the command prompt. And last one, hyper-v command. Now this command is successfully run, and your machine will be power on. After that, these some part of troubleshooting. After some part of troubleshooting, when you run the command, machine will be open. Now restart your system, and you can check. Now after restart, let's check machine is working or not. Click on the power on this virtual machine. Now you can see this machine is working fine. Very good. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and do sub comment, please. Thank you.